Top 10 tips for creating a better work environment. Creating a good environment goes a long way in making certain the company achieves its goals. In addition, the employees as well as team leaders are also able to fulfill their personal goals and desires. The following are some ways of creating a good and conducive work environment. 1. Encourage open communication. Removing communication barriers allows employees to communicate directly and more openly. It also encourages them to support each other and work for the common good of the company. 2. Remove cliques. Groups, factions, or cliques create barriers in the workplace. Employees from one clique will tend to keep it to themselves. This erodes the goal of meaningful interaction. 3. Show appreciation. No matter how busy you are, it is always good to show appreciation for any good deed. It can be as simple as telling your employees thank you for just staying at work for an extra 30 minutes. 4. Develop a culture of trust. Employees will work better if they feel trusted and appreciated. This can be shown by delegating a task to an employee or agreeing to go with his idea on a particular matter. 5. Give everyone a chance. As a team leader or manager, it is important to listen to all your employees regardless of their work or social status. Listening to your employee boosts their morale and productivity. 6. Get to know your employees. A simple hello as you enter the escalator or finding how their weekend was makes employees feel valuable to the company. Try to get everyone together for a team lunch or early dinner compliments of the company. 7. Meaningful dialogue. Whether you are at a formal or informal setting, it is vital to engage in conversations that add value to the company or employee. An employee feels more appreciated if the conversation focuses around his career or life ambition. 8. Have a positive attitude. Attitude is infectious. People around you will take up your attitude and vice versa. Having a positive attitude no matter the situation goes a long way in creating a positive work environment. 9. Use incentives. As human beings, we love being gifted. Offering your employees bonuses or salary increment when it's due greatly improves the work environment. You should also remind them that good performance is always rewarded. 10. Embrace an open-door policy. Whether you are a CEO, a director, or team leader, you should always create an open-door policy. Any employee should feel comfortable to just walk in your office and talk about anything. If you implement the above dynamics at work, you will certainly experience better productivity and efficiency. It does not matter if you are a startup, a small or large corporate. Creating the ideal environment at work is your best shot at growing and sustaining the company.